How should you determine the intensity of your training today? Consider using your Garmin watch's training readiness indicator. You can add and view your training readiness indicator in the glance on your watch. It displays a score ranging from 1 to 100. A higher score indicates better physiological conditioning, allowing you to increase your training intensity. A lower score indicates a longer recovery time. Factors influencing your training readiness indicator include last night's sleep score, recovery time, HRV status, acute training load, sleep history from the past 3 nights, and stress history from the past 3 days. You can also view your training readiness history in the Garmin Connect app. Before training, assess your proprioception and refer to Garmin's training readiness indicator to help you accurately determine your training intensity.